Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add another language keyboard on Android. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now scroll down and locate the System option. It's typically located towards the bottom of the list. Tap on System to open the next set of options. This section controls a variety of settings on your device, including language preferences, keyboard settings, and more. Step 3. Next, locate the keyboard options. Tap on it, and then tap the on-screen keyboard option. Step 4. Now locate the Languages option. Tap on it. Step 5. For the last and most important step, select the Add Keyboard option and choose the language you want to add. Finally, tap Done to add another language keyboard on Android instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Thanks for watching.